My name's Jason Morley. I work for a company called Kerr Henderson Financial Services. Kerr Henderson Financial Services is a family-owned business providing independent financial advice to businesses, private individuals and trustees. We have a particular focus on automatic enrolment at the minute, as a large number of employers are having to go through the process of establishing a workplace pension for the first time. To date, around 50,000 employers have gone through the process of complying with automatic enrolment and their new obligations. Next year, from 2016, hundreds of thousands of businesses are going to have to go through exactly the same process, which is going to present many challenges for all sections of the market. One of the main challenges that employers have with managing their automatic enrolment obligations is the length of time it takes to understand their duties and comply with the new regime. Some start 6 to 9 months out, which is about the right type of time scale. Others unfortunately leave it at the 11th hour. It's a very mixed picture at this stage. Kerr Henderson see automatic enrolment as a real positive step. There are many more people saving into workplace pensions who've never had access to a pension before. With that comes a lot of challenges for employers, as pensions is only part of the project. Automatic enrolment also impacts on how an employer manages payroll, HR, and also other employee benefits within their organisation. Kerr Henderson have invested a lot of time and energy in understanding the challenges that face employers, not just in terms of deciding how to determine which definition of pensionable pay that they should use, how to select a pension provider, how to determine what investment strategies right from their employees. These are all of the value-added services we think we can bring to the table. An element of that is maybe risk management. We take away some of the time expended from an employer in trying to make those decisions themselves, where they lack that level of knowledge or understanding of the pensions world. In addition, we can talk to them about the challenges that they face in other parts of the project, those arising from HR or payroll management. And whilst we certainly accept and acknowledge that we're not payroll experts by any stretch of the imagination, when the message came back that this was a real challenge for employers, we set up a small dedicated team to understand why that was so difficult and where the technology had to progress and how that needed to change to make that part of the project more straightforward. Our advice to employers is to plan early. Provide yourself with the time to understand the options that are available to you and to make the right decisions for both you and your employees. Kerr Henderson see Sage as a market leader. They were one of the very first payroll providers to innovate and bring an end-to-end solution to the marketplace. One of the key factors in our working relationship with Sage is their willingness to engage with not just the pensions industry, but also the advisory community to try and produce better outcomes for employers. When you buy any software package, you're doing so on the basis that it's going to make your life an awful lot easier, and that's why we're a big advocate of Sage. Sage will help you to assess your staff. It will produce the statutory communications which you must issue. It will calculate the pension contributions, and it will also pro-format the data which is required by the vast majority of pension providers in the marketplace. The success to automatic enrolment is undoubtedly plan early, plan early, plan early. If you've got existing pensions and employee benefits in place, spend some time reviewing them to determine whether or not you're going to be able to use them to comply with the new legislation. Consider your payroll processes and look at how you manage HR, and then ensure you know what it is you need to do and when you need to do it.